Hello everyone, my name is Quý Hà. I'm from CC and I learned from Discover One N. Today I will show to you my animal booklet about a lobster. They have two claws and they're orange. They have got 6 legs and two eyes. They sometimes pinch a nose. It can flick its tail. They can fight using their claws. They live in the sea, ocean, in the very deep ocean floor. They eat plankton and small animals. During the day, they swim, they flick their tail, and they look for food. During the night, they swim, they flick their tail, and they look for food. Lobster can grow for over 200 years. Sometimes you can get bright blue lobsters, but this is 1 in a million. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.